2011 problem. Let alpha and beta be the two roots of the quadratic equation with the condition alpha greater than b. Alpha greater than b. And also, if an is defined as alpha power n minus beta to the power of n. This neat an is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. Andre a1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು alpha 1 minus beta 1. a2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ alpha square minus beta square, right? ಇದು ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಈ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. For n is greater than or equal to 1. Okay? Now you are asked to find the value of this. This you need to find. So how to solve this problem? In 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes you should solve this problem. ಆಯ್ತಾ? a10 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, if you just notice a10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? alpha to the power of 10 minus beta to the power of 10 ಅಲ್ವಾ? minus 2 a8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? alpha to the power of 8 minus beta to the power of 8 divided by 2 a9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? alpha to the power of 9 minus beta to the power of 9. So ನಮಗೆ ಈ alpha 10 beta 10 alpha 8 beta 8 alpha 9 beta 9 etc. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? using this given quadratic we have to deduce this. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡೋಣ how to deduce that. Let us see. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, if alpha and beta are the roots of this, then that means, what do you mean by root? What do you mean by root of a quadratic equation? Root on the basic, what is the basic definition of a root? Simple definition of a root is a number or a value which satisfies the given quadratic or the given polynomial equation. So in this case this is a quadratic. If alpha is the root of this, so that means when you substitute the value of alpha, it should satisfy the given equation. Alva. So alpha is the root of this, and this implies alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. You agree with me? Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ alpha 8 to alpha 10 ಅಂತ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? I can multiply by alpha 8 on both sides. I can multiply by alpha 8 on both sides. 0 into alpha power 8. I can do this. So this will give you the value alpha to the power of 10 minus 6 alpha to the power of 9 minus 2 alpha to the power of 8 is equal to 0 into this is 0 only. Alva? Okay. Using the indices property, I have done the multiplication here. Similarly, beta is also the root of this. So beta should satisfy the equation. Other than now deduce madre, we get the same result. Beta to the power of 10, 6 beta to the power of 10, 9 minus 2 beta to the power of 8 is equal to 0. Let me call this as 1. Let me call this as 2. I should do 1 minus 2. Again, in e format ಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ format ಬೇಕು. So when I do that, alpha power 10 minus beta to the power of 10 minus 6 into alpha to the power of 9. So minus into minus plus minus beta to the power of 9 minus 2 into alpha to the power of 8 minus beta to the power of 8 is equal to 0. What I am doing here? I am doing 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 gives this expression. So what is this alpha 10 minus beta power 10? A10. What is this? 6a9 minus 2 into a8 is equal to 0. We got the definition here, deduce ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So this implies a10 minus 2a8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ a10 minus 2a8 is equal to 6a9. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2a9 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. a10 minus 2a8 divided by a9 is equal to 6. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So what I'll do? 2 into 3. So that means 2 is cross multiplied here. So the final answer is 3. ಇದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. This is the actual method. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So the final answer is 3. Is there any shortcut for this? ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Still you can solve this problem. Is there any other way to do this problem? Yes, there is a way. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದರ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇದು actually it's a quadratic equation. The roots ಇದೆ. For example, what are the roots of that? Let me apply the minus b. This is the simplest way to find the roots of a quadratic. 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4 AC andre 4 into 1 into minus 2 divided by 2 into 1. 6 plus or minus root of 36 plus 8 divided by 2. 6 plus or minus of root of 44 divided by 2. So this root 44 can be taken as 4 into 11. 6 plus or minus 2 root 11 divided by 2, which implies 3 plus or minus root 11, right? Andre ಎರಡು root ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, which implies 3 plus root 11, 3 minus root 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ alpha greater than beta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ this implies this is alpha, this is beta. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ go for approximation technique. What is approximation technique? What can be the possible value of 11? Root of 9 is 3, root of 16 is 4. So the value of 11 is between 3 and 4, root 11. So what I can do is 3 plus 3.3 and there is no harm in that. So this implies approximate value of alpha will be 6.3, approximate value. Similarly beta will be 3 minus 6.3, 3.3. So which will give you the beta value as minus 0.3, approximate value. ಈ approximate value alpha ಮತ್ತು beta ತಗೊಂಡು straight away apply here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಎನಿ ಫಂಡಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ 0.3 ಮತ್ತೆ 6.3 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅರೈವ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ.